safe at first. Welcome to another Ernie's Journeys, where we answer the question, where will the journey take us? Today, the journey takes us here. This is a place that's in the middle of nowhere. I had to take a dirt road to get here. This is Angel Falls. It is a beautiful trip. It's a little bit confusing to get here if you don't know where you're going. So I'm going to add some information here with some clips showing how to get here. And here is worth it. To get here, you want to go west on Route 17 from Rumford. So at the end of this video, I'll put a link to our Rumford video. From Rumford, you want to take Route 17 west, and you want to follow that until you get to a tiny little sign that has you turning left. That's what you want to look for. Bemis Road. You see the sign for Bemis Road there. You cross over the little Swift River Bridge. And this is your view from Route 17. So you could kind of get a feel for what it looks like. There is a tiny little sign over there, but it's really tiny. Just got to keep your eye peeled for this entrance. If you have GPS, definitely use it. When you get to the dead end sign, Angel Falls is that way. Go. I'm gonna go that way. Not that way. That way. Like I was saying, I had to take a dirt road to get here, and I'm going to insert some footage of that dirt road to get here. It is a really, really janky dirt road. It's mostly stone, but holy cow, is it worth it. We're here in October. Isn't this beautiful? And this is just a parking lot. We're gonna take a little hike. We're gonna go up and we're gonna see Angel Falls. Let's go. So just a couple of things about this site. I've been here before. It's been a long time, but it is definitely a 5 out of 5 as far as Shutterbugs goes. Angel Falls is, I believe, the largest natural waterfall in the state of Maine. Not 100% sure about that, but I'm pretty sure. And it is beautiful. And as far as deep breaths goes, absolutely 5 out of 5. You are going to be in nature. Oh boy. Halfway there. We did it. We did it together. That's just the beginning. The trail actually starts now. I'm really, really excited to be here. I haven't been here in, man, it's been like maybe 7 or 8 years. So it's like it's all new to me again. I don't recall what the way there gets, what it looks like. I remember seeing the falls, but I just don't remember at all the path. And now paying attention to the path, it's a good moderate hike. It's definitely worth the effort for the views and the exercise that you'll get getting there. Look at this. I couldn't have come on a better day. Weather's perfect. Leaves are everywhere and they're in full autumn gold. This is great. I'm glad I came. Aha! Now, memory is starting to come back to me that it is quite rocky on the way up, and you do end up crossing the stream a couple of times, and it's a little bit uphill and those rocks are slick. So from where I am here, where I just started, it's about 10 minutes further up, and it is a lot more rocky. So let's boost that ankle buster rating up a couple to maybe 2.5 out of 5. The trail markers here are red. You can see one on that tree up there. You can see one on this tree over here. Definitely keep an eye out for those. Don't lose your way on the trails. We have arrived at the first of 2 or 3 crossings. So here's our obstacle course. And you can either go up this way or you can go up this way. But up ahead you can see it crosses a few more times up there. Oh boy. I made it, barely. On a hot day, this is a really great hike because when you're in this river valley, this little creek valley, it's about a 10-degree difference in temperature. Let's bump up that ankle breaker scale another 0.5 point to about a 3. This is gonna be some crazy hopscotch. I don't know that I'm gonna film myself doing it. I think I'd like to just concentrate on not falling and twisting my ankle. The rocks are a little bit slippery the closer you get to the water. So definitely exercise caution, be careful. Oh boy. This is not fun. I mean, it's fun, but this is crazy. That rock looks a little slick, but I think it's my best bet to get over. I really like this tree here, this clump of trees right here. It's really cool. Yeah, so I almost died. I fell right on that rock, right there. Watch out for that one. What a beautiful, beautiful day. All right, let's keep going. Crossing number 2. I made it. It looks like we should go maybe like this rock, this rock, this rock, but that rock looks really slippery, so I actually came over this rock, and then kind of scooted across these over here. I didn't film it because I don't want to break my camera on the rocks again. I think I need to focus all of my couch potato energies on getting across safely, so I don't have to get medevaced out of here. Oh, we're gonna get our first peek of the falls from over here. Should I show you? Nope. I'm gonna make you wait. We're gonna go this way. And this way. Can you hear them? Oh, there they are. Look at that. We made it. Look at these falls. Massive. And you can go swimming if you want to in the pools at the bottom. I wouldn't recommend it in October, but you could do that if you wanted to. It's a little claustrophobic in here. Just a little bit. This is what I had to hike up to get to that last view. And I gotta go back out that way. So I think with my previous rating, I said this was maybe a 3 or 3.5 on the Anklebusters scale. We should probably just bring that up to a 4. This is crazy if you're gonna come and hike this and you're a beginner. You definitely want to wear some good shoes for it. I've got sneakers on, not the best thing to wear. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. New videos post every Tuesday and Thursday. Join us next time when we answer the question, where will the journey take us?